Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start immediately by confirming prerequisites: power connected, backups done, and any BIOS passwords known. Once ready, shut down, then press the Lenovo button or repeatedly tap F2 during boot to reach BIOS. You do this because secure boot settings live in firmware. Without entering BIOS, you cannot change them. Make sure you observe the BIOS splash. If you miss it, reboot and try again. Patience here avoids accidental mode changes. Once in BIOS, navigate to the Boot or Security tab and locate boot mode. If it's legacy, change to UEFI. Secure boot requires UEFI. Next, find secure boot settings and set them to enabled. You may be prompted to install or reset factory keys. Accept the platform keys if you trust the OS. Save changes but do not exit yet. Verify boot priority still points to your drive. If the system offers custom mode, only use it if you need to import specific keys. After enabling secure boot, save and exit BIOS, the system will reboot and attempt to boot your OS. If the OS starts, you're done. Secure boot is active and protecting the boot chain. If the system fails to boot, go back into BIOS and confirm UEFI mode, and correct drive is top of boot priority. If necessary, temporarily disable secure boot to boot and repair the OS, then re-enable it after fixing bootloader issues. This avoids permanent lockout while you troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.